In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best salad spinners in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Road trips, camping, barbecues, and home life just got easier with the progressive collapsible salad spinner. If you need something that won't break but can handle washing and drying smaller batches of lettuce, this 3-quart model with a silicone construction and collapsible design is a wonderful option. In testing, our reviewer found it actually reduces to just 3 inches when fully collapsed. Storage could not be more convenient. The lid utilizes a large knob that operates the spinner in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, and it stops on the spot via the built-in brake. Our tester found the knob and brake easy to operate once she washed and spun a head of green leaf lettuce, but did report it took longer to flush out the water because of the design on the brake around the circumference of the colander. It left less space for openings to allow water to escape while spinning. In a test with fresh blueberries, though, she observed the fruit washed and spun quickly with no bruising at all, but she did have to hold the spinner while processing to keep it stable on the counter. It's safe to put this in the dishwasher on the top rack, making for no fuss cleanup. Our tester found it easily fit in her loaded dishwasher, and it came out completely clean in one cycle. She also reported it maintained its shape post-wash and neatly snapped back together and collapsed for easy storage, even in small spaces. Number 4. Sometimes you only need a petite spinner that stores compactly but has the oomph of larger models. The OXO Good Grips Little Salad and Herb Spinner is just right for small portions of lettuce, berries, and especially bunches of fresh herbs with its 2.5-quart basket. Our tester found it easily accommodated 2 heads of radicchio for one test, 2 bunches of cilantro for another, and 1 pint of blueberries for a third. Just like the larger model, this one has an easy pump-action spinner and patented brake to stop with ease. In her test with the radicchio, our reviewer found the plunger was comfortable to grip, and it only took 10 pumps to completely clean and dry the greens. She appreciated the clear bowl allowed her to see when the greens were dry, and the brake was instantly responsive when she pushed it. She also loved the non-slip base for stability and the sturdy construction of the plastic bowl. All parts were washed on the top rack of the dishwasher during testing, and our tester noted everything was completely clean after one cycle and snapped back together easily. She did report some water spots remained, but they were wiped away with a quick rub of a clean, dry hand towel. She loved its diminutive footprint with the lock flat plunger for stackable storage. Number 3. Our 5-liter vegetable washer performed well in the battery of tests that we threw at it. Though pricier than many spinners we tested, its unique benefits outweigh the added expense. The unit was a breeze to get up to a high spin rate, which allowed for an impressive amount of water removal. After 2 consecutive 5-second spins, it averaged 96.5% water removal across the 4 types of plants tested. We especially appreciated the ability of this model with freshly rinsed kale and blackberries. The lid fits securely on the bowl while offering trouble-free cleanup. Although its braking button was small, it still easily stopped after a fast-spinning operation. Not everything was perfect, though. Perhaps this unit could benefit from a redesign on the colander. In both the dirt test and its ability to be cleaned, the colander created issues that caused it to lose points. Despite this product more than made up for lower scores after receiving perfect scores in the water removal, ease of spinning, and ease of braking tests. If you're after an excellent spinner, this might be the answer. Number 2. If you're looking for a salad spinner that's efficient but also modern and attractive, the OXO Steel model is a great choice. It has the elements expected from OXO's trusted brand, plus a sleek design that looks as good on the table serving your freshly spun salad as it does on the counter as a tool. The 4.95-quart basket capacity was ample to clean and dry a large head of romaine lettuce in one of our tests. After a soak in cold water for 5 minutes, our tester recorded it took only 10 easy pumps to completely remove dirt and thoroughly dry chopped romaine. In another test, she cleaned and spun a pint of blueberries but found the steel bowl caused bruising on the berries. She repeated the test with a quart of strawberries and was pleased with the thorough clean without any bruising. With that in mind, this model may not be a wise choice for more delicate berries. The patented pump-action plunger makes one-handed operation easy, and the built-in brake mechanism skids your spinning to a halt quickly. When finished, the plunger neatly locks into position, making for easier storage. This model has a base coated in non-slip material that keeps the spinner stable during operation, and our tester found it stayed still across 3 tests. You're not limited to spinning with this model. Our reviewer reported after using the colander to rinse an entire box of tagliatelle, she segued it to the table in the brushed stainless steel bowl for family dinner. She also used it to mix pancake batter and lauded its versatility for more than salad spinning. Her one negative comment was after following the manufacturer's instructions to wash it in the dishwasher, she found water spots all over the stainless steel bowl that took some vigorous rubbing with a clean, dry hand towel to remove. She noted she would not wash the bowl in the dishwasher to preserve its beauty and longevity. Number 1. OXO is a widely recognized and trusted brand for durable, intuitive, and efficient kitchen tools. This salad spinner is no exception. With this model you can easily prep, wash, and dry a large amount of lettuce, strawberries, bulky root vegetables, canned beans, and so much more. At 4.95 quart capacity, the basket was able to handle enough food for a family meal when our tester put it through washing and spinning a large head of romaine lettuce, a pint of blueberries, a quart of strawberries, and finally 1 pound of cooked pasta. Standout features include the patented plunger, which is incredibly easy to operate, even one-handed. Our tester lauded the minimal strength it took to depress the plunger while still feeling sturdy and comfortable in her hand. It only took 10 pumps to completely clean and dry a large head of romaine lettuce, and no berries were bruised after 5 efficient plunges and fast-action braking. The wide, flat base has a rubber ring that our tester noted held the spinner completely secure on the counter while processing across all 3 tests. Like other OXO products, this one is made to last, even when you use it as a colander for hot foods or a bowl as a serving dish. Our tester gushed about the heavy-duty, well-constructed design and said the clear bowl almost looks like glass for serving but did not get taut when passing around the pasta she strained in the colander and then served in the bowl. Cleaning and storage are equally simple. Our reviewer reported the lid popped apart for easy washing in the dishwasher, and the slots in the basket are evenly spaced to avoid hidden bits of greens or herbs. After cycling in the dishwasher, she noted there were a few water spots that wiped away easily, and after reassembling, she said the plunger neatly locked into place, making a flat top that was easily stored and stacked upon. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.